Windows out, windows in. It's that simple.
I'm Dennis Riley, and I'm the owner of Zen Windows St Louis. Here's the truth about replacement windows.
The truth is, you don't have to stick with traditional features on your window project. You can choose upgrades on the windows as well as the glass. Here are a few examples of those upgrades from a recent install. On this project, our clients chose bronze locks to accent their Provia Endure white windows. Double slider window was a good fit for this window above the kitchen sink. Provia Endure windows are a perfect combination in this opening. In this case, a triple set of double hung windows is flanked by two more double hung windows, which allows for a good balance between functionality and great views of the backyard. Copper windows were the right choice for the basement. In this case, our client chose obscure glass for privacy and the allowance of ambient light from the outside. Do you need grids for your windows? While many folks do choose a colonial pattern, we do offer many choices of different grid pattern styles. Two vertical grids in the upper sash allows for a fantastic curb appeal as well as a clear view to the outside. Finally, a picture-perfect view calls for a Provia Endure picture window. In this case, our client chose the DLA UV glass package for added energy efficiency. I'm Dennis Riley, and this was the truth about replacement windows. Zen Windows looks forward to working with you on your replacement window project. We can get you an accurate price quote back via email shortly after we collect some basic project data. Whether it's your first quote, your second quote, or your only price quote, let Zen Windows of St. Louis and our impeccable reputation serve you. Call or email us today or visit us at zenwindowsstl.com.